Hi, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two CPU in this video, so keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. CPU type. Instruction set. Codename. Interrogated GPU. Process size. Peak temperature. Next, performance. Total core. Total threads. Performance core and performance threads. Efficiency core and efficiency threads. Bus frequency. Base frequency performance. Base frequency efficiency. Turbo boost frequency performance. Turbo boost frequency. Multiplayer. L123 cache. Next, iGPU. GPU base clock. GPU boost clock. Shading units. Texture mapping units. Render output units. Execution units. Thermal graphics power. Next, memory. Memory type. Memory size. Max memory channels. ECC support.